Here's my 1968 Poulan Model 53 chainsaw. Just going to do a quick video to show everybody what kind of condition it's in, so there's no surprises when you buy it. It's pretty much all original. I took it all apart and cleaned everything, make sure everything is running good, everything works like it should, oiler works, chain's in good shape, engine runs really strong. It's all original paint, all original parts as far as I know. It's in good shape. I'm going to start it up here and we're going to cut some wood with it. I'll point out a couple things that I do know that have been fixed on it. You can see right here there's a little tack weld on the gas tank. That was here when I got it, so I don't know a whole lot about it, but you know, if you do flip it upside down, it might drip a drip here and there, but it doesn't leak bad. And down the front here, the same thing. This is a little tack weld. I think that's the oil tank right there, because you can see a little bit of oil residue drips down a little bit, but it doesn't leak bad at all. Up in the corner here, there's a little bit of pitting, but I don't think that's an issue at all. But there you have it. 1968 Poulan. I'm going to fire it up here and we're going to cut some wood. There you go. She runs good.